That's the problem. He's really watching. He's really watching all this.
Where are you, Raymond? What? What's Raymond being now? Is he being a dog? He's a baby?
He's kidnapping the cat.
He's a fast baby. Margaret's making it.
She's making it?
Yeah, she's gonna.
Bad boy. Just get into your crib and stop being a bad boy, Raymond.
Paper mache to finish it.
I bang. Here's your little patty wheel. Okay.
What?
Great go.
What's the tail on Castle Grayskull for?
I don't know yet.
Periscope, huh?
It's supposed to be a.
Wait and see.
She's going to make an elevator back there and everything.
Baby, here's your cutie pack.
Not what it's for.
Let me get a little lunchbox.
What are you doing, Ray?
Push to. Oh, Jimmy! Oh, babe, you're flying.
Meanwhile, Peter, what are you up to?
Oh, take this away from him. Oh, he must been chewing on it. Yeah, you have been chewing on your toys. Bad boy.
You're not going to have music for a while.
Oh, really?
Yeah, just turn it off.
Can I put the tape on?
No,
Why?
because I'm filming.
That's background music.
Sure, you can put the tape on there.
I'll put a middle thing. Where do I put this on?
What?
Auto?
Whatever. Grandma, you're on TV. Nana, you're on TV.
Watch that red light up there. No, watch Jean. Watch Jean.
Oh.
Who's the patient? Wait a minute. Are you ready
Who's
for
the
the
patient?
turkey girl, doctor? Okay, tell me when. Hoolie girl. The turkey girl. Not turkey. It's Thanksgiving, so it's hoolie, hoolie, hoolie.
So what are you guys doing? You guys going to... Who's the doctor?
Francis.
Brent's the doctor?
And I'm the nurse.
You're the nurse.
And I'm
Nice.
the patient. Are you ready?
Who's the patient?
Me? Here we
You?
go, doctor. You can't get up from bed. You... Come on. No. You get back. Get back. And if next time you do that, we'll send you home and let you die there.
And let him what there?
Die there. Not being...
What's that dress? That's a nurse's dress?
Well, I can't find her nurse's dress.
You can't find a good nurse's
No,
dress.
Mandy, you didn't know every time I got up and did it. Yes, I did. We could watch you. Nuh-uh.
And what's wrong with the patient?
He needs,
Does he need an operation?
He needs one eye to be replaced. He needs a heart to be replaced, and he needs a kidney to be replaced, and that's all. Where's
That's
the
all?
kidney?
Boy, he's a sick patient if he needs all those things.
And he needs a brain.
He needs a brain too?
One
Boy, he's a
plus
sick
one
patient.
is 4. He can't. He's going crazy, so he needs a new brain.
Needs a new brain? Why don't you stay right there, nurse? Right there.
Right here.
Yeah, right there. Say hello.
Hello. Oh, sorry. You stop it! Every time I say it,
Doctor, aren't you going to give that patient some medicine? That patient is sick.
You get back in bed. This ought to calm you down.
Brent, why don't you stand up so I can see your doctor dress up.
Now you went to sleep. You'll stay asleep until I inject the next medicine.
Doctor, why don't you listen to his heart, Doctor?
Doctor, it's time for us to give him a new heart. Come on, Doctor, we need a new heart. You need it. Sit down, Raymond. You're asleep still. Okay, Doctor, I've got the heart. Get all your tools. Raymond, you have the medicine still. Come on, Doctor. Here's your... Okay. This was the operating table. Okay, come on. Let's cut.
What you got? Brent, you going to give him an injection?
Yeah. He's asleep. I already gave him some medicine.
Did you already give him some medicine?
Okay.
This is the operation, huh? What are you doing now?
What?
Putting a new heart in?
Yeah. The slinky is his heart. And this
And you
ought
examining him, Brent?
to put some blood in him. Okay, now I need to sew it up. Now let me make sure. Give him some active medicine. That's too much medicine.
What was that, an active medicine?
Yeah. Let me make sure his heart works now. Raymond, now you have your active. Let's see if it works. Okay, his heart is in order, Doctor. I'll cross out his heart. Raymond, now you're not crazy no more. You're not crazy no more. You're not crazy. We should have put that heart inside of him.
Ray, be careful.
Get back in there. Tomorrow you'll have your brain restored. Let's see. His heart's checked. His heart's checked. Now tomorrow he'll get his brain will be restored to the normal person.
What is that? Oh, that's the
Heart.
chart when you did the heart and when you did the eyes and everything. Ray, be careful, Ray.
This is I want to get close up.
Yeah, I'll get a close up. There you go. You show me what that is.
This is the brain, and he hasn't had the brain yet.
Uh-huh.
He has that in 10 weeks.
In 10 weeks.
And the eye, he has it in 1 week. And it's only one of his eyes.
Only
And the
one of
heart
his
he gets in 2 weeks. He's already had that. And tomorrow will be the 3rd week, and he'll get his kidney.
Okay.
They told me we ought to put the brain in him first.
I know you should have put the brain in first.
Where's he going? Raymond, cut that out, yo. Dear doctor, we need to work quick. Raymond, you're asleep. Here, let me cut open his brain. Ew, look at this rusty one with spider webs. He must not use it very much.
Yeah.
Look at it looks like the shape of a blender.
Shape of a blender.
Look at his brain.
That's his brain?
Yep. And every time he acts crazy, the blender pushes him. Goes it. Now put his brain. Get down there. Raymond, you don't have these things. That's to put you to sleep until we put.
It's supposed to be asleep.
Now to put the brain inside. This is the normal shape of a brain, and this is a new brain.
Let me see. Hold it there so I can get it. That's a new brain.
That's the new brain.
Looks like a Japanese model to me. Japanese make that kind of brain?
Yeah.
They did?
You stay down there. Raymond,
Patient,
will
you're still supposed to be asleep, patient.
now you can be awake, but this
That's
you
a-
acted like a normal
Was that the
person.
active medicine?
Yes, yes. Can I get up now? Yes, you may
How about the
sit down.
doctor?
The kidneys have already been put in. Nuh-uh. The same time the heart was put in. The kidneys. But what about the eyeball? The eyeball already been put in. What'd that say, Burrow? No, look. See? Say bye.
Say bye. Why don't you thank your nurse and thank your doctor?
Say bye.
And say thank you, nurse. Thank you, nurse.
I'm sure.
And say thank you, doctor.
Thank you, Doctor. Say, I take good care
three stand right there. Why don't you three stand right there? And this was a movie, and now you tell them your name because you're in a movie.
I am Kathleen Cook, the nurse.
And
I am Raymond Cook, the patient. And I'm Raymond, and I'm Brent Duty, Dada Duty, Dada.
hold on. Okay. All right, go.
Introducing Brent can stand on a box and balance a block on his head.
Is that his talent?
Believe it? Wait, believe it or not? Okay, Brent.
Hold on. This is a moment of truth. Ta-da! Yay!
Now Raymond's gonna do his talent.
What's Raymond's talent?
That can stand in the middle of a raft and balance a block on his head.
Middle of the
Middle
raft.
of the ocean.
Now I want to get down. Wait. Okay, I want to get down.
Very good. Hold on.
Can you stand on one foot?
Believe it or not. Now
Introduce Kathy.
introducing a girl.
Whoa.
Introducing a girl who can walk around a raft in 5 seconds. And I'm going upstairs.
That's it?
Believe it or not. You walk around a raft in 5 seconds.
I'll probably pop it in 2 seconds flat.
It's hard, isn't
Wait,
it?
I want to show the Robbie the robot. And this is Robbie the robot. He comes from one of our robot stores. Say hello, Robbie. Hello. The camera's over
Turn
there.
around, Robbie. Camera's over here.
Robbie. Camera's over there.
Say hello to the camera.
And Robbie is not square near circle. He is triangle.
The triangle.
He's a rectangle. He's a rectangle that can be very useful. He can pick up things like
Like what?
pick up that box, Robbie. Robbie, will you please pick up the box? This box. He doesn't like to do that kind of work. Instead, he just likes to spin around and gaze and, well, sometimes likes to pick up little bits. It's a very hard problem. Anybody want to buy him? $2 a piece.
$2.
Give me a nickel for him. Okay, say pick up a box and he picks up a wheelbarrow. He's not very good.
Okay, 5.
No, I don't have one. It's in the back over there.
Nickel, please.
No, the other back.
Camera doesn't have any money.
Hello. Nickel, please.
There you go. You picked up a box.
Well, then I guess we don't know when yet.
Oh, there he picked up a box. I'll
If
give
you
you.
tell him to pick up a wheelbarrow, he will pick up a box. Pick up a wheelbarrow, Robbie. Oh, wait. If you tell him to pick up a box, Robbie. He will go around and pick up a wheelbarrow. Very useful because if you say, Robbie, go to bed, he will just stay awake. If you say, Robbie, stay awake, he will go to bed. If you tell him
So he's a.
if you tell him to die, he will live. If you tell him to live, he will die.
So he's programmed to do the opposite, huh?
Yes. There's only been robots that can do the opposite so far.
And is?
If you tell him to stand up, he will sit down. If you tell him to sit down, he will stand up. Sit down. Very popular robot. Stand up. And if you tell him to kiss somebody, he'll hug them. Go kiss Bonnie. Go hug Bonnie. Go totally go. See, he will even kiss a man. Go kiss Daddy.
Go hug. Oh, what a nice hug.
Go hug Daddy. Go get it, Daddy. Go hit Daddy. He will just soften you up.
Soften you up.